Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best RTV Silicone is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable materials for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering superior heat resistance and a remarkable ability to seal, bond, and protect against extreme temperatures and harsh environments. In this video, we will delve into the amazing world of RTV silicone high-temperature sealant, exploring its diverse applications, key features, and helping you choose the perfect product for your specific needs. Number 5. Weld 31314 RTV Silicone. It's a high-temperature silicone gasket material, perfect for mechanical assemblies that experience high continuous or intermittent temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit or 650 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a reliable seal even under extreme conditions. For over 4 decades, we've built a reputation for quality and reliability. People who demand the best choose it for their projects, time and time again. It's incredibly simple to apply. It cures when exposed to air, creating a strong, waterproof seal that won't shrink or crack, even with weathering. It's ideal for a wide variety of applications, from automotive repairs to oven doors. Its versatility and dependability make it a must-have for any toolbox. Whether it's a big project or a small repair, you can tackle it with confidence. It provides the legendary performance of the world's strongest bond, ensuring a first-time fix. What we like. It sets up easily and is suitable for many applications. If you need a sealant that can withstand high temperatures and works on various surfaces, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it perfect for DIY projects around the house or in your car, offering a reliable seal for various components. What people say. This high-temperature silicone sealant is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. It handles high temperatures effortlessly, making it perfect for sealing gaps and joints in heat-prone areas like ovens, fireplaces, and engines. The application is smooth and easy, and the sealant cures to form a durable, flexible, and waterproof seal. Worked as intended, this is silicone sealant made for high heat. Its red color and seems to be working. I used to hold the gasket on cloth's dryer door. Used it to seal the valve cover gasket on motorcycle and the block-off plate for a pair valve delete. Worked really good. Number 4. LavaLock RTV Barbecue Gasket Sealer. This high-temperature sealant is perfect for creating durable and reliable seals on your barbecue smoker. It's food-safe and made to withstand extreme heat. It can handle temperatures from 450 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your seals remain intact even during intense cooking sessions. This makes it ideal for smokers and grills. This sealant is designed to withstand various weather conditions, protecting your equipment from the elements. It forms a strong, weather-resistant seal. With its removable tip, it's easy to apply and use. You get approximately 100 feet of 1/8-inch bead from a single cartridge. It meets all food safety requirements, so you can use it with confidence. It's proudly manufactured right here in the USA. LavaLock RTV High-Temp Barbecue Smoker Sealer provides a superior seal for your barbecue smoker. Get yours today. What we like. This one is safe for food contact and can withstand very high temperatures. If you're working on a barbecue smoker or any food-related project that requires high heat resistance, this is the best choice. The reusable tip is a bonus, making it economical for larger projects. Number 3. Rutland 600 degrees Fahrenheit RTV Silicone. It withstands extreme temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for high heat applications. This ensures a long-lasting, reliable seal in even the toughest conditions. It bonds securely to a wide variety of surfaces, including glass, metal, and many more. This adaptability makes it ideal for countless projects around your home. It creates a durable yet flexible seal that can withstand expansion and contraction. This prevents leaks and ensures a lasting bond. From sealing fireplace inserts to repairing solar panels, its uses are virtually limitless. Let your creativity guide you in using this versatile sealant. It comes in a convenient cartridge for easy application. Get a professional-looking finish with minimal effort. It's designed to provide a long-lasting, high-performance seal that you can depend on. Experience the quality and reliability of Rutland products. What we like. It's incredibly versatile and can withstand extreme temperatures. If you need a sealant for high heat applications like fireplaces or solar panels, this is a top contender. Its durability ensures a long-lasting and reliable seal in demanding conditions. What people say. The temperature rating of 600F is exceptional and exactly what I needed for my high heat application. It performed flawlessly, and I had complete peace of mind knowing that it could handle the extreme conditions without any issues. Applying this silicone was a breeze. The nozzle made it easy to control the flow, and the consistency of the product was just right. It adhered perfectly to the surfaces, and I was able to achieve a tight, secure seal. This product is easy to apply on exterior wood stove pipes. It adheres or sticks well to metal and cement. Number 2. Kraken Bond Red RTV Silicone. It's engineered for superior performance, creating a perfect seal on automotive parts. This ensures greater reliability and extends their lifespan. No problem. Its oil-resistant formula keeps your seals intact even in the harshest environments. It's built to last. This high-temp silicone sealant provides exceptional heat resistance, perfect for high-temperature automotive applications and more. The RTV silicone technology means it won't crack under pressure. You can depend on it for a lasting seal. It offers unmatched flexibility and adhesion, making it ideal for critical sealing tasks where reliability is key. It's the ultimate high-temperature solution. Experience superior sealing performance with this advanced silicone gasket maker. It's the smart choice for all your automotive sealing needs. What we like. This product excels in high-temperature automotive applications. If you're looking for a sealant that can handle oil and extreme heat in your vehicle, this is the one. Its precision ensures a reliable seal for critical automotive components. What people say. It has a great tip that seals 100% unlike other brand tubes. The product applies easily. The screw-on nozzle end cap for storage. It was able to hold the aforementioned JB Weld in place long enough to fully cure inside a hollow aluminum tube. Number 1. Permatex 81160 RTV Silicone Gasket. This high-temp silicone gasket is perfect for high heat or heavy-duty applications. It offers superior reliability and performance where it matters most. It replaces almost any cut gasket and can coat pre-cut gaskets to increase their reliability and longevity. Say goodbye to gasket failures. It creates reliable, formed-in-place gaskets that resist cracking, shrinking, and migrating, ensuring a long-lasting seal. This incredible sealant withstands extreme temperatures, from -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 650 degrees Fahrenheit intermittently. It's built to last in even the toughest conditions. With its versatility and extreme temperature resistance, it's the ultimate solution for all your high-temperature sealing needs. Trust Permatex for a job done right. It's simple to apply, providing a strong and reliable seal with minimal effort. Get professional results with ease. What we like. It's designed for high-temperature and heavy-duty applications. If you need a sealant to replace or reinforce existing gaskets, this is a perfect choice. Its ability to create reliable, formed-in-place gaskets makes it ideal for demanding situations. What people say. Works well. Can withstand 15 psi for 20 minutes under heat for many uses. I never had to repair it after many uses. Dries well. It does hold up well at high temperatures. I've used and abused this stuff at temperatures that I know were in excess of its rated continuous duty temperature, and it held up regardless. 2. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.